Hello friends, I'm your coach and host Narayan Rao and I welcome you to my channel rayanachesswarz. Here in this channel, I'm going to teach you some tricks, trades, puzzles, strategies, etc. that would help you make a better player. But today in this video, this is made for the beginners who are very new to chess, would like to play and enjoy this game. So if you are a beginner who wants to learn the very basics just for you, I'm going to split this tutorial into a few parts with separate videos so that by the time we complete all the videos, you will be fairly well acquainted with chess. The main purpose of splitting into a series of videos is to design them short and sweet, so as not to overload a new person who is just learning the game with too much stuff. A chessboard consists of 64 squares, of which 32 are light colored and 32 are dark colored. A chessboard should be placed in such a way that the bottom extreme right corner should be a light colored square. Similarly, the bottom extreme left corner square should be a dark colored square. A chessboard consists of the horizontal squares and the vertical squares. The horizontal squares are labeled as A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H, and the vertical squares are labeled as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So if you would like to refer to this square, this is the horizontally, this is the B square, and if you take the vertical count also, it's 1. So this is B1. Similarly, if you take this square, horizontally it is the C square and vertically it is the fourth one. So this is C4. Similarly, if you take this, it would be E6. Similarly, if you take this, it would be A8. And if you take this, it would be H8. So this is how the squares are labeled as. The chess pieces and pawns are placed on the first two rows of each side. The pieces on the first row and the pawns just above the pieces on the second row for each side. We have 8 pieces and 8 pawns for each side. The first pieces are the rooks, which are placed on A1, A8, H1 and H8. Remember, these are rooks and not elephants as is referred in some places. Though in Hindi they are known as hathi, which again converts into an elephant. Next we have the knights that are placed on B1, B8, G1 and G8. Remember, these are knights and not horses as mentioned in some places. Again in Hindi they are known as ghoda, which translates into the meaning of horse in English. Next we have the bishops placed on C1, C8, F1 and F8. Again, remember, the correct term for this is bishop and not cannon. Next we have the queens on G1 and G8, and finally we have the kings on E1 and E8. These are the pawns which are arranged in front of the pieces. So finally we have a chessboard looking like this. The kings facing each other, the queens facing each other, the bishops facing each other, the knights facing each other, the rooks facing each other. Another thing to keep in mind is that the white king is always placed on a dark colored square and the black king is always placed on a right colored square. And as I already told you earlier, the extreme right corner of the board should be a light colored square. So finally we come to an end to this video. See you in my next video in continuation of this series of tutorials on how to play chess for the beginners who are very new to this game. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can receive updates about my videos. Till then, see you, goodbye, and you take care of yourselves.